Takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Hey guys.
Crazy how just
Yeah, I'm not doing anything. So if
I have a starfighter what do you call it, an older Star Wars starfighter drone, but
oh, they've improved. This one is so amazing. Jay got it for me.
You just hook it up to your phone.
Yeah, it's a Samsung.
That is awesome.
So this thing here, it's got a gimbal. So watch when I go side to side.
Oh wow!
Now look at the picture.
No different.
It's absolutely level.
That's really.
So okay, same with backward, forward. You'd think the picture would be going all over the place, but look.
That's insane.
Send it up there, Papa.
Okay.
Get the air view.
All right. So we're gonna look down.
Does it have like a safety thing so when the battery starts dying, it like tells you?
Yeah, yeah. So we're at 73%, and I'm okay to go up. There's the trees.
That's
crazy. Awesome.
It goes 400 feet up.
Look at that. Look
Okay.
how clear that picture
All right,
is.
you can look down too. There's the main
That's awesome.
house, hidden away. There's us.
That's insane. If I see one of these on my property, I'm taking my shotgun.
Yeah.
Buckshot.
It's crazy though, because
Look at that.
with this thing, you could get high enough in the air to dodge a shotgun.
I get
Yeah.
scared of heights just looking at this thing. It's It's limited to 400 feet by law, I think. Then they don't let you go
okay.
higher.
How high is it right now?
115. So that's about a third of the way. So that's pretty high. And already,
Even the wind is higher
Dude,
up there.
I love this thing.
I
It's
know.
like one toy I definitely would love.
yeah. So watch when I bring it down. I brought it straight up. I'll bring it straight down.
So you can keep going higher?
Yeah.
It's insane.
3 times higher than how high it was.
It's almost the exact
That's
same
crazy.
spot.
It's almost creepy crazy.
Well, you know the government has ones that are
Yeah.
bigger than us.
Yeah, I
They're
know.
flying around like that.
And this guy is at 67%. So it can go half an hour.
So
on a
you
battery.
could like go to the tree. How far can you go? Can you
This
go to the tree
one-
line?
Can go miles.
Really?
Yeah.
That's
It's got
insane.
6 miles.
Most of them are tricky. The video doesn't go very far. It's like
Oh, really?
Wi-Fi,
Okay.
but this video can. So, actually Jay bought me one and something was wrong. We returned it, but we found out that video only went about 100 feet.
Oh, really?
So that would have been out of range at the top of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's-
So I'm going to go forward and up.
I know.
It's like, look at it go. You're getting good at it, Papa.
I'm a little bit scared. All right, so we're going to go to the
So you
quarry.
can like chase deer
Yeah.
and stuff.
Yeah, I'm worried about hawks and eagles, actually.
He's got to watch out for the dogs, though, because they like to catch frisbees.
So I go a little
Big
higher.
buzzing frisbee.
That's crazy.
Okay, might be getting a little bit from the trees, but yeah, I don't know where it is actually, but you can see it on the
Yeah.
picture.
Dude, that is insane.
Okay, so this is a stone quarry, old time. I'm pretty close actually, Cody.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm
You
gonna
up,
go-
you
I
can
see.
look right into it.
I'm gonna look down and go up.
Oh, look at that water in there.
Yeah.
I know, I still
Look
can't
at
see it.
that.
Now I can turn.
Look how crystal clear that water is.
Yeah, it's
you
not-
can see through it.
It's not real deep, I don't think. We've been there. It didn't look very deep. And it's not a huge quarry either.
What do they do with it? Nothing.
It's abandoned. They used to get limestone out of it.
So now it's just an awesome. I'm surprised no one sold it to build homes around it. Right? Like,
Yeah, I don't know. All right, this is just the cornfield. This is looking back where we are.
Dude, you could. Oh, you know, I'd be looking all the time for.
See that little white house?
Yep.
That's this.
No, I'd be. What's
So-
it called? Crop circles. Oh, every day I'd be going out crop circle time.
You can't make crop circles.
I know
with
you
this.
can't make, but I'd be looking for them
Oh,
because I'm sure there's a lot out there that no one sees them.
yeah.
You're not going to find any.
Where is this thing? I don't even see it.
We should have a clear line of sight. Oh, it's up there. You see it?
Oh, dude, that's crazy.
It's like you have to have the camera
What?
or else you
What?
have no idea. where
Shannon's
it is.
friend was at our house one night, and she's like, "I think you have a drone going around your house." I'm like, "Crazy." But now, maybe kids, you know.
'Cause how would you even see it? And it's so high up there, you don't hear it.
Yeah, I know. Now I'm gonna
Oops,
lay out in
I
my
got it.
backyard, flat with my shotgun, just waiting, looking. I got those Call of Duty
Oh,
night
goggles?
vision goggles.
Yeah. That's funny.
And the real night vision?
Yeah. Yep. Follow me on Facebook.
Okay, so
How it stops is so cool.
No. It reminds me of a Minority Report.
Yeah. Chad's gonna be like,
I'm gonna
what
land on
happened?
the.
You're gonna be like, listen, there was a drone there.
That's crazy.
It's creepy how steady it is.
Yeah.
And how it's like,
Now I want to go play with my Star Wars one.
yeah,
But see, it doesn't have video. The video thing is really cool.
I'm trying to land on the cement this time because I saw sand or dust kicked up. I don't want anything to get in those motors.
I think closer it goes down, though, it just blows all of it away from you.
Landing.
Oh, it even says landing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. And you could record and stuff.
Oh yeah, yeah. I recorded the whole thing.